Alright, what's up, guys? Alright, what's up, guys? So, as the title says, today I want to get my virtual machine on this computer all set up to resume. Oh, whoops. Oh. Okay. Maybe we're not going to do that? Hmm. Okay, great. We got that figured out. Sorry, I just muted for a second to type a password. Yes. Okay, we are, yeah. Please never ask me about this again. This thing keeps crashing when you say no. Yeah, force quit. Incredible. Uh, Desktop. Search. How do I disable the welcome screen? Alright, whatever. Okay. Let's open up Firefox. Let's go to my YouTube channel. Hey, look at that. Okay.
Oh, the first day that we signed up for Monday.com.
An ad? Another ad? Alright, the idea here is I'm looking for the final config. Another ad! Oh my goodness. I have YouTube Premium, so I haven't seen ads like this in forever. We're going to push that list onto the existing tag. Okay, look up the thoroughfares. Just load. Controls you need. Alright, keep opening it. If we add a variable called inhibit screen. Okay, now let's try closing that. Okay, yes. One thing to watch out for on Emacs, if you just delete your config reading, it didn't actually yes to save with just a few lines of configuration. Alright, so there's the config we're going for right there. Now, I actually want to add a bunch of other stuff. To make it a little more usable. Let's see. Okay, so let's see. I think, whoa. I think I probably don't even have Emacs installed. Perfect. So we'll go ahead and install Emacs. Beautiful. So, before we get back to the video part, which is really not much at all, the first thing I'm going to do is work in .emacs this time. User Emacs directory. Well, we will try using init.el again. Okay. So, a few things we want to do. The first thing I want to do is actually set queue, auto, to, we're going to set autosave file name transforms to a list. So any file we are going to store in .emacs.d/autosavelist t, and we're going to set backup directory a list to, ooh, I forgot, no dot in this one, .emacs.d backups. Great. So that's this one. Transforms to apply to buffer file name before making autosave file name. A Lisp, regex, replacement, uniqueify. Okay, so that's going to put things into autosave list. And then if we look at this, backup directory a list of patterns and backup names. Backups. Great. So let's save that. Let's just do a dir and make sure that we don't have anything here. If I go to autosave, great. So that's good. These two will prevent us from getting these annoying files written into our directories. That's especially annoying when you're working inside of a Git repository, because every time you make a change, you end up with some stupid file with a tilde at the end from an autosave, or something like that. All right, there's that. We can also do setq inhibit startup screen t. All right, what other essentials do we need? I think, oops. Perfect. Now I think we can do all the packaging stuff. So we'll do require package. Now I think you're actually also supposed to do package initialize. But let's see, in my own config I have this first. Add to list, package archives, melpa, oops. Okay, require package. And oops. Package initialize. All right. Oh, let's load a new theme, actually. That should make everybody a little bit happier. Initialize packages. We loaded a theme. Yeah, so now we can install some packages. Great. This version of Emacs still doesn't have use package built in. Now, before we run this the first time, we should do package refresh. So I also want to compare this to the full config I ended up with before. Okay, this is a good reminder right here. About setting the custom file. So do this. Don't clutter our init file with custom settings. Set Q, custom file. Load, custom file. And we'll do no error T, because if it doesn't exist, we want that. Let's go down here. That is not indented properly. Use package. Oh, eval buffer. Whoa. There went our buffer. That is okay. So in this case, we want to ensure and defer. That is fine. And then we do want this as well, this hook. And we can just copy that. So we've got package, we've got octec. We don't need this require. We just need this. Okay, this is octec, obviously. So that should be it for the video. Now, let's see what other things I did in this this thing. So we've taken care of the package. We've taken care of our custom file. We've installed use package, and we've installed octec. Okay. Specific Now, personally, I pretty much need evil mode, and I really like undo tree. So we will take both of these again. We can do eval buffer. Okay. So that was just a very quick example of undo tree. What else do I like to set up? Evil mode, undo tree, Ivy. Now, I do like Ivy, but what I've been using more recently is actually Vertigo. And in that case, I think what I usually do is install Vertigo, Marginalia, and Orderless. I'm not entirely sure if you... I guess you can use Vertigo without... You can definitely use it without Marginalia, but I think you might need Orderless to really get it to work well. But let's try... what does Vertigo say? Vertical completion. So we say Vertigo, improve vertical completion. Now, personally, I don't even really mind I do mode. Oh, wait. There it is. But I like Vertigo even better. So for this one, use package, Vertigo, ensure T, config, Vertigo mode. Let's run that, and I can show you guys what that looks like. Now you can see our buffers. Okay, so we'll try without Orderless. That's probably okay. I mean, Marginalia is basically too cool not to have. Marginalia mode. I don't really care about consult or embark. Yeah. Yeah, see, Marginalia is really nice because it gives you all of this information in the margins. So I really like to see that. So Orderless. I do like the annotations. Don't care about this. Don't care about this. And don't really care about this. I don't mind grep mode at all on its own, actually. Okay. So we'll see packages, initialize packages, obviously load a theme. What else do we want to do? The other thing I want to do is turn off noisy toolbars. I think it is toolbar. Ooh, Okay, we do need orderless. What? What is it doing to me? Comment set column. Why is mine? Oh my goodness. Comment set column. Oh. Weird. Does that doesn't work in Lisp mode? Oh, it does. Oh. What is going on? Oh, I'm what? So usually when you hit Control X semicolon, it will comment the line out. With any other R. But apparently that's not working. Okay, well it works on my machine. Okay, so apparently we do want orderless. What do they tell us to do? Orderless. Yeah, this looks fine. Custom. Do I use... No, I don't use custom. Marginalia. Include additional annotations and vertical completion. Use package orderless. What? Oh, duh. So there's orderless. And I think that actually should handle everything. Oh, I was going to do the toolbar stuff. Yes. Toolbar mode. Okay, the comment thing is just not working. Toolbar mode -1. What is the other one called? I mean, I know there's scroll bar mode. And what was the other one? Toolbar, scroll bar, menu bar. Beautiful. Wombat. Now, the one other thing I don't like is the color of the region. So it would be nice to set the region color. And I think I do that. like this. Set up a theme. So we load Wombat, but then we would also like to do set face attribute region in every frame. We will set the background to, this is what I have it set to in my Emacs. That looks reasonable enough. Okay, certainly more visible. Okay, so package, custom file, package, no startup screen, handled this, very annoying. Custom file stuff is also very annoying. Column number mode, turn off the toolbars. Then we install some packages. Obviously we only need Octec really for the LaTeX stuff, but personally I really like having the Vim bindings for undo tree. Like I say here, of course, more natural undo redo functionality. And it's also great because you can do this. And probably, yeah, see somewhere up here I have this branch. And I can go through the multiple branches. So we get undo tree, vertigo marginalia, and orderless are great. Basically take the place of Ivy. Which is kind of funny, right? Oh, great, these 3 packages take the place of, of 1 Ivy package. But that's not exactly true, because I think if you want these annotations, there's actually a separate Ivy package for that. Whereas I think orderless is basically integrated into Ivy in some capacity. But Ivy comes with a lot of stuff that's just kind of annoying and slower, I think, than Vertigo. So anyway, I used Ivy for a while. I actually used Helm for a while, then switched to Ivy, then switched to Vertigo. But anyway, so okay, that's Emacs all set up, I think. Oh, I guess I shouldn't have closed the video. Control Shift T. Oh, caps. That's right.
When you're launching a new product with a
My channel's not even monetized. How are they doing ads? I guess the last thing to do is make sure we actually have LaTeX installed. Oh, we do. That's right, from the last video. Okay. Well, let's make sure that Emacs actually opens. Okay, clearly didn't work. And that is probably because it made .emacs. Let's see, take a look. And try that again. Beautiful. Now, what do we have here? Let's go ahead and do... Oh, actually... Let's put this before packages. Oh, okay. Miscellaneous settings. Don't clear our init file. Drop the toolbars. Include some handy Dured stuff. Key bindings. Global set key. I messed this up somehow. There it is. Yes, I forgot one of these annoying things about undo tree. Tree file, backup, hist. Where's my terminal? Is it working? It doesn't appear to be working. Oh, there it is. Oh, okay. Cute. Ah, okay. All right. Preferences. Bottom. Why is it putting it up there? Select. Let's put it right here. Okay. See how that looks. Okay, that's definitely not working. Screen key preferences. Position. Center. Oh wow, very small. Screen. Cancel. Why is it not working? Can you guys even see that? I see it popping up. Let's try to close that. Let's launch screen key like this. Oh. Oh, you see it's selecting different... It's selecting these windows. But I just want it to be everywhere. Okay. How am I supposed to move this? Preferences. No, no persistent window. Holy moly. There we go. Show keys. Whoops. No, 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 no. What is this? What is this? Okay, and it selects the stupid window. What? Alright, well, forget screen key. quit. And now we want to mark both of these and delete them. What is this called? GNOME terminal. Okay, great. I'll go ahead and show you guys a trick that I really like under the key bindings. And it looks like this. Key bindings. Global set key. And I do Control C, V, and I bind that to when I do this, it's interactive. We do call process shell command. Well, maybe that didn't work. Let's try to run this. GNOME terminal bash. Okay. -C cd documents. And exec bash. Unknown option -C. Oh. There we go. Okay, we need some dashes. So GNOME terminal takes more options apparently than ST does. Great. So now we can open terminals from inside of Emacs. Oh, I'm missing one other binding for dired. Define key. Define key, dired, mode map. Keyboard minus dired up directory. And I forgot the paren again. Great. So let's go to documents. Documents. Well, we'll just call it LaTeX. And in here, we can find main.tech. Oh, and this is why I had the video open still. Is to see what we had here. This is brutal. Maybe I shouldn't do that. This is what we want right here. Yes. And the reason we did the vertical installation is because now I can do that, which is a little bit easier than we had before. For example, LaTeX document. Whoops. Document. Hello world. Cannot find Zathura. We don't have it installed. Sudo apt install Zathura. And there we go. We are back in business, ready to move on with the LaTeX series. Okay, close that. All good. Yeah. So if you're here in the chat now or you're watching this later on YouTube, go ahead and drop a comment and tell me what you want to see next. So some options I've brainstormed for the next entry in the LaTeX series are tables. We can start with tables. We could start with figures. At some point, I want to make a video about ticks, because I really actually enjoy, well, okay, maybe I wouldn't say I enjoy it, but I often make diagrams in ticks. So I'd like to make a video on that. At some point, I should make a video on equations, so stuff you can do in math mode, special kinds of equations. I learned a lot about that in my dissertation. At some point, I mean, it seems kind of obvious maybe to start with the preamble, but that's a little bit boring, and we've talked a little bit about the preamble already. So we've talked a little bit about document class. I've shown author, title. We know how to begin a document. For the most part, I mean, LaTeX is pretty straightforward, right? You just start writing text. But I think in my group, at least, my research group, probably tables would be the next thing to talk about. So that's kind of what I'm thinking about doing next. Tables. Yeah. But anyway, let me know what you'd like to see. I think that pretty much wraps it up. I'm not really sure how to swap I'm not sure how to swap the topic of a stream in the middle, but I kind of want to move over to my some of my other stuff. So the other thing I wanted to do today was get back to my graphing library. Repositories. Plot. Yeah, so I'm probably either going to, let's see, I'm not sure if I'm going to end the stream and start a new stream, or if I'm just going to edit the title. I guess probably I can just, we'll probably just switch topics. It'll be fun. Okay. Let's see, are there like markers or anything in YouTube streams? Create a highlight. Stream marker. I think this is something you do afterwards. Yeah, YouTube Studio, go live. Insert stream marker. Oh, I found it. Cool. Yeah, I think that's it. So, yeah, I want to do it on stream. At some point I should probably... Actually, at some point I'm thinking about going through my whole Emacs config and basically explaining why everything's in there and potentially taking things out. Because I've been using the same Emacs config for a while, and it keeps just growing and growing. I don't exactly want to, declare Emacs bankruptcy, because most of the stuff in there I actually want to be in there. So I don't really want to start over from scratch, but I think it could definitely do with some trimming down. And that's kind of what this is. This has what I think of as basically the essentials for an Emacs config, minus most of the language specific stuff. So Octec is really the only language specific thing we have in here. But these evil, undo tree, vertigo, marginalia, orderless are pretty much all I need for this. Oh, references. Yes, the other thing we're going to do, references. That's a big one. That will involve some more Emacs configuration as well. So, yeah, again, if you're watching this and you're interested in the LaTeX series, drop a comment below. Good topics for future videos are going to be tables, figures, references, the really big ones. Probably math mode is in there as well. I will do ticks at some point, but that's not really, that's not like an early one. That's like a pretty advanced topic, I would say. Yeah. Okay. Well, I already did the marker. I guess I'll do another marker. And then be right back. Well, sorry guys. Actually, just when I got that nice BRB screen put up, um, my wife's on the way home from work, so that's gonna be it for today. Hopefully tomorrow, some point soon, we'll get back to the old plot stuff. Um, Again, let me know what you think about the LaTeX series, what you want to see, or if you want to see more Emacs stuff. I think I probably I should get back to my let's see, my YT config stuff, because I don't think I ever actually finished going through all of this in that video. So anyway, see you guys next time.